Good morning children, welcome to Gautam Model School, Vanasthalipuram, class 2 children, second class children, EVS. Okay, how are you all children? Doing good? Had your breakfast in the morning? Yes. And what did you eat children? Idli. So healthy food you are taking. So one more thing children, we should not skip our breakfast children. Right. So in a day how many meals will take children? 3 meals will take. How many? 3 meals. Breakfast, lunch and dinner. These are the 3 meals in a day children. And we have learned like we need to take proper food, balanced diet we need to maintain. So energy giving food, protective food and body building food. Right now children, in this way 3 types we have to maintain. And yesterday we have learnt even new words also in this lesson children. Food for us. Right. So everyone open your textbook children. This is your class 2 textbook. Open page number 136. This is your textbook page number children 136. Okay. So everyone opened children 136. Here in the first bit children they are asking tick the correct answers. Today we will complete all textual exercises children. Tomorrow we will be writing question answers children from this lesson. Okay. So now children I will be writing on the board. You just tick in your textbook children. Okay. First one, what is this? This help us to fight diseases. A toy, book or is food. Which one children? This is A bit. First one, A toy, B book, C food. So which one helps us children to fight with the diseases? Food. Here it is given now, put a tick mark children there. Okay. So next one children. Next one. These are protective food. Milk and dal, sugar and butter, peas and apple. Which is the protective food children? So in this milk and dal is protective food. Okay. If you want you can check your textbook children, back you can go. Milk and dal, body building food children. So these are the protective food means which is the protective food children? Protective peas and apples. Okay. C. Second one children, A, B, C. So which is correct children? These are protective food. Milk and dal, sugar and butter, peas and apple. Peas and apple. Okay. Third one you put a tick mark. Now third one, we eat this vegetable raw. Cucumber, brinjal and potato. A, B, C. Which one will eat raw children? That means uncooked. Without cooking only we can eat this vegetable. Which one it is? It is cucumber children. So A. Put a tick mark here. Understood? Now children here matching I am explaining you. Matching. This is B bit children. Here rice and jaggery are energy giving food. Here already it is one done for you children. Now second one, beetroot. Everyone look at the board children, it is easy for you to understand. So children here you can see this is better for you children, that is the reason I am not writing on the board. Beetroot. Beetroot twice a day? No. Clean water? No. Beetroot can be eaten raw? Yes. Match it. 2 to D. Junk food. Junk food is which one? Select the word children. Proper one. Clean water. Already 2 is done. Junk food is unhealthy food. Junk food is unhealthy food. Now drink. Drink means water, right? However, it is yes. So drink clean water. clean water. Now brush your teeth. Brush your teeth how many times? Twice a day. Right? In this way you need to match children. Once again see children, rice and jaggery are energy giving food. Beetroot can be eaten raw. Junk food is unhealthy. Brush your teeth twice a day. Okay. Now here children, tick the healthy food habits. Tick the healthy food habits. Washes her hands before eating her meal. It is a healthy food habit children. Eating her meals, washes her hands. Yes. Put a tick mark. So children here, tick the healthy food habits, right? Washing hands is a good habit, right? Before and after eating meal, right? Now second one, drinks water from the garden tap. Is it correct children? No, it is a wrong one. We should not drink water from garden tap children. We need to drink filtered water or else boiled water. Yesterday only we discussed about this, right now children? This is a wrong one. This is not correct one. Okay. Now third one children, never skips his breakfast. Just now I told you children, we should never skip our breakfast children. It makes us whole day uneasy children. Right. So it is not at all correct. So never skips his breakfast. That means this sentence is correct. Right. So put a tick mark here. Now, does not waste food. Yes children, we should not waste the food children. How much you are able to eat, that much only you need to take in your plate children. Right. So, does not waste food children. We should not waste the food at all. Right. And here children, answer these questions and think and answer. These two bits tomorrow we will be writing children, because you need to keep ready your notebook and eraser pencils tomorrow children. We will be writing these two bits tomorrow, and today we will be completing textual exercises children. Okay. Now here children, in next page, page number 137 children. Now 136 we have completed. Now 137 children. Why I am showing the textbook children? Because it is easy for you to understand. That is the reason I am explaining you even in the textbook. Okay. See here, activity. This is an activity children. Look at the picture and complete the word puzzle. What is this children? This is a puzzle children. Okay. So what is this vegetable? This is a potato. Potato. So here P already given children. Which one we need to write? P O T A is there. Then T O is there already. Potato. Now what is this children? Yes, everyone likes this vegetable. What is this? Carrot. Already it is done for you children. Right? Now second one, first one, second one over children. Now next third one. Potato over, right? So what is this? This is an orange. This is. What is this? This is an orange. So what is the spelling of orange children? Spelling of orange is, already it is given here O. So O after R A N G E is given already, right? O R A N G E, orange, right? Now here E clue is given children. Before that, in front of this, what is this? Egg. Very good. What is the egg spelling children? E is given? Yes. G. One more G. Right. E G G, egg. Okay. And here what is this? Fruit. Yes, everyone likes, will get mostly in the summer. Right. It is a very juicy fruit. Very good. It is a king of the fruits also. So M already clue is given children. So what is the spelling of mango? M-A-N, man. G-O, go, mango. Done. Right. So what is this? This is milk children. It is protective food. Right na children? So what is this? Milk. M-I L-K. Milk. Done, children. So, this is a puzzle. Everyone complete in your textbook, children. Okay. Last one we will be doing, children, here. This is a values, children. Okay. This is a values. See, one day Uma went for a class picnic. Read what she did. Okay. So, she went to a park, children, one day picnic. With her friends she went, children, and what she has done in the park we'll see now. Okay, we'll learn about her now. She shared her idlis with Rohit. Is it good, children? Yes, sharing is very good, na? We'll celebrate a party also in our school, right, na, children? So she shared her idli with Rohit. Very good. Now she took only as much as she could eat. This is also very good, children. Put a tick mark. Right, how much we can eat, that only we need to take, children, in our plate, right? We need to carry only that much. Now third one, she washed the apples before eating. This is also a good habit, children, right? So washing apples also very good before eating. Now she threw the fruit peels into a dustbin. Very good. So she had some apples and fruits, other fruits, children. When she peeled the fruits, children, that peel she didn't throw on the floor, children, in the garden, children. She has thrown all those peels in the dustbin. This is also a good habit. Now she cleaned up the place before leaving. So good, children. So she has cleaned her place, children. Okay. Okay. Good. So tick if you do the same. Do you, children? Will you clean same one? What this girl is doing? You have to, children. You have to follow all these, children. So all these are very good habits, children. Right? So you need to learn these values, children. Okay? So keeping your surroundings also very good habit, children. Okay? We'll see in next page any activity is there. No. Now, so children, we have completed all textual exercises, children, in the textbook. So we need to learn all new words and you need to read the lesson. Be ready for the question answers, children. Tomorrow we will be writing. So be ready with your answers, children. Before writing, I will be asking you questions, children. Okay? So keep reading. Did you understand whole lesson, children? I guess tomorrow I'll be asking, right? By that I can understand that you are understand the lesson. Okay. Bye, children, and we'll see you next session.